Hello friends, my name is Paul and Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango is my amateur radio call sign. Welcome to my new live stream. Today I'm going to play with the Mini Pocket SSB receiver, which is based on the SI4732 receiver chip. I just published the new video yesterday about the modifications on this radio, and I was very busy, so I was not able to make any answers to your questions, and therefore I decided to make this live stream, the Q&A live stream, and I will try to answer to any of your questions. Hello, Different Gear TV. Hello, Francis. I hope that the sound is not very noisy because, as always, it is very windy and very cold. Hello, Mythrender. Greetings to Madrid. Hello, Philip Jones. Firmware. Good afternoon. I tried updating the firmware, but I get no XMC flash. What is the XMC flash? Sorry, I'm not sure what you mean. Hello, Roadrunner. And Tarkanov Vadim. Ahoy, Gold Hunter, Netherlands. Yes. Yeah, we talked together today on 12 meters, also on 17, with Ray, Gold Hunter. Philip Jones. You mean the chip? Well, I don't know. Áno, počasie je pekné, ale je zima. Fúka vietor. Serus, Marcel. Okay, guys, so I see that 35 people are watching this live stream, so I will start with the main topic. Just in case that everything goes well, I have the 6200 with me, so maybe I will be able to try a QSO today. I will show you that. So that's my equipment over here. I have here this mini MC20, which I am using mostly on receive because this antenna has been made for my experiments for 10 meters and 6 meters. But it works very well on receive, even for 20 meter. Good, and here is this receiver. Also, I have with me an external speaker, just in case. I have also this external battery, which I plan to use together with the external high Z circuit. And also the high Z circuit I have here with me. I think there was a question regarding the high Z circuit in the comments, in the video comments. This is not purchased. This circuit is my made. So as you can see, the breadboard has been used. And a few connections, components, and the SMA connectors on both sides. And this is socket for the power supply. Ideally, would be great if I be able to make the bias power supply and this antenna amplifier could work directly from the radio over the antenna socket. I have to play with it. So there is no more need to use the external battery, because this amplifier could work even from the socket of the antenna. Okay, so my main purpose, actually, why I did this little thing, is to amplify signal from a short whip antenna. Everybody have to count with one fact, that this tiny radio is a portable radio. So I don't expect that I will connect some kind of big antenna to it, okay? And therefore, I was not hesitating to install the additional amplifier inside. Of course, if you install the amplifier in the radio, and if you connect the radio to the bigger antenna, I expect that the radio will overloading, or the receiver will be overloaded from a big antenna. But I don't expect that I will use this as a base receiver. So therefore, I'm using amplifier as well for receive, because I need a bigger gain, because it's portable and it uses just the small antennas. Okay, so let me see if there is any question in the chat. XMC flash error, check drivers and make sure you are... I understand. So maybe, yeah, you are looking for a COM port installation. Well, this is the good question. I think that my Windows 11 and Windows 10 has found the driver automatically from the Windows update. I'm not sure right now. It's really good question, but I don't remember if I installed or not. I think that not, but I have had many radios with the serial port. I don't know, maybe I installed, but I think that it was loaded automatically from the Windows update, the driver. So make sure, if you have a proper cable, if you have updated your Windows to its latest version, and maybe try to find it again, this driver, I mean. But yeah, this is the main thing what you need, of course. Okay, next one, also to whomever wants, GitHub, Ramsin. Okay, Ramsin, what is there on GitHub? What is there? Just give the information. Do you have any modification of this radio, or what you mean? Hello, Arild, Lima Bravo 1 November Hotel. Hello, Core. Hello, Philip. Okay, the question regarding the Bluetooth. There is hardware for a Bluetooth. I think it doesn't support connecting to the earphones. I was talking to the firmware developer, Mr. Dave, about the Bluetooth connection. Would be nice, because I have also the Bluetooth speaker over here. But the power consumption would increase significantly, and I think this is not a good sign, because there is only 800 milliamp hour battery inside. So this radio wouldn't last too long with a Bluetooth connected in. I'm not sure if it's a good idea to turn on the Bluetooth on this radio. That's my answer. But I think that it is possible to program this radio to be able to transmit. Yeah, there is also a hardware problem, that the audio output is not connected with the MCU inside, or ESP. There is a missing connection or something like that. If I'm not wrong, I was talking to Dave. So maybe you will need to make connections between the audio path from the receiver to the ESP processor or module. So it's not just about the software. And I found also another question in the comments. Why is the audio so low? Output from the socket is very low. And I say that this radio is completely missing the audio amplifier. So there is no audio amplifier in this receiver. So the output you can hear in your headphones is just the raw signal from the chip, SI4732 chip. So there is missing audio amplifier. If you remember, I modified the Quancheng radios with the version number 1. The version number 1 was very silent, very low output, because of the missing audio amplifier. And therefore, somebody or manufacturer start making the other versions with audio installed on the modification module. And we need to install the same circuit, audio circuit, also into this radio. And then we could have also louder sound from this rig. So there is no amplifier inside, so you don't expect special loud, high quality sound from this radio, of course. I think that the speaker on the other side is kind of a special speaker. I think it is a high impedance speaker, and therefore you can hear the sound pretty loud from the speaker. Okay. One also very important note is that there was complaints. There were complaints in the comments that somebody bricked this receiver after the firmware update. Yes, Dave found that for some reason, the manufacturer, or there are maybe more manufacturer of this or producers of these radios, are making this radio with different ESP versions inside. Some of them are 8 megabytes, some of them are 16 megabytes EEPROMs or something like that. I'm not very expert in this part, but the main thing is that somebody has 8 megabytes, somebody has a 16 megabyte version of the ESP, and therefore, if you go to the video description, you can find the firmware download link, and if you go there, those of you who bricked the radio after modification, Just go into the into the video description and find the new firmware version. I think version 0.30. It's made for both versions, for 8 and 16. So again, go to the video description, go to the download link of the firmware, and there you should find the new version 0.30 for both versions of these radios. Also, some other question was there there is a virus in the update flash download tool. If you go to Espressif website, also there is a link in the video description. Espressif website, you can find the flash download link, and you can find there the exe software, this tool for flashing. And if you are using Windows 11, I think the Windows 11 do it, that it blocks this file actually, and it deletes automatically the software from your computer. It is well-known problem. It's a false positive warning. It's a false positive infection warning in your computer. And I don't know, maybe one option could be to, I don't know if is it possible to turn off the Defender Shield in Windows, or maybe turn off antivirus, or I think this is the main problem with the Defender Shield in the Windows, because this Defender Shield makes these false positive infection warnings. So please try to play with this Defender, and you should be able to install this program. Anyways, I was trying to install this program onto my older computer with Windows 10, and there was not any issue with this thing. So if you have two computers, if you have computer of your friend or family, try to install this program from the second computer with an older version of Windows. So I think this is some kind of Trojan virus detected, but it seems that it is just a false positive infection. All right, let me see some your questions. Oh my gosh. I don't know why YouTube keeps deleting my messages. Well, Ramsin, I see your messages, so it is not deleting. Core Fortman, go Wednesday to a local ham radio club. First step to study for technician's license. Ramsin, by original, I mean the code from the guy who designed this AliExpress version. Well, if you are looking for an original code, I think that the original code is not made by anybody from the AliExpress. I think the very first link you will find in my video description. The link is for its original project. And on this website, you could find also possibly a original firmware for this radio. So go to this first link first. One moment, stand by. I have a chicken here. and they are going somewhere there I don't want. Yeah, that's the village problems. All right. So if you are looking for an original firmware, go to the first link in the video description. Cool. Next. Yeah, and also the schematics and so on should be there as well. Okay, 9 Victor 1 Sierra Alpha, inspired by your SMD mod. I hope that you was successful with your mod. Where can I get the encoder knob that you have on yours? Well, yes, I've got many questions regarding my knob. It is looking like this. You can see that in detail. It is kind of rubbery. It's good feeling, and it's good tunable. Actually, I would be much more happier if this knob would be low profile knob, maybe half of the height of the knob would be, I think, much better for me. But the question where I get this rubbery knob, it was from a local store. We have some store with the electronics in my city, and I went there and I purchased this kind of knob over there. So that's my advice. Actually, it's simple. From a local store I purchased. And does it have good performance on 40 meters, particularly in receiving a 40 meter NVIS signal? Yes, of course, it works pretty well on 40 meters. I can turn the radio on and try 40 meters. Today is the contest on the bands, so it seems that the bands are very busy today. So let me find. I will show you that. I'm not sure if you will see something. I need to play with brightness. All right. And band. So I am going to 40 meter band. Here we go. And mode LSB. You see that I have a short antenna, so I need it to extend. As you can see that after the modification or after the firmware modification, and I can set the brightness to its maximum. It is very easy to see on the direct sun. So this is very good improvement. Turn on second mic for you. Okay, not a big deal today on 40. I love the thing that mutes 1 kHz mutes tuning step is gone. Where is it? 1 kHz. My gosh. Alright, here. Band is quiet on 40. Maybe 20 meter would be a better choice, but as you can see that just a few stations so let me check on the bands, or the bands like 20. This is strange, and why so weak stations?
Very noisy in my side with many QRM. I
will try to connect also the MC20 for comparison.
My extreme so I will see that soon. Thank you very much, and see you later. Well done, and thank you very much for your answer. We will have for our station. There's that you get Lima, Sierra Lima, Sebastian from France. Bye-bye, thank you very much.
Yeah, Sebastian, many thanks for the short contact here. All the best for you and Go DX, and all the best for the family. Best 73 is rating so far here from all German. Many thanks and au revoir.
Au revoir, à bientôt. Foster Lima, Sierra Lima, good QRT. Thank you very much.
Finally, that this new firmware brings us smaller step than 1 kHz. So we can use 100 Hz, 50 Hz, and also 25 Hz. Just the bandwidth. Here you can see 10 Hz, 25 Hz, 50 Hz, 100 Hz and 500 Hz. And also 1K. It's good for, especially for CW operators. Does this firmware allow seeking up and down to the nearest station? Well, there is a seeking, but I think it's not working. Let me find seek down. You see, it's not working. I think it must be something done on the firmware. It's not working, this feature. I tried seek up. Nothing.
Thank you for the 559 plus QSL. Yeah, thank you. Fancy vehicle block. 73 special bye for now.
So I connected the receiver to the MC20 right now. Even when I have connected or built in a high Z circuit. So you can see that this radio will work even with the high Z circuit connected to external antenna. Okay, let me try to go. Where is it? Band. Band. CB band. Also, calibration or the frequency calibration is a good thing. You can actually calibrate frequency to the center, but you need to find some broadcast station One moment. Hold on. As you can see that we need calibrate this radio for 10 meters or 11 meters as it is far away from its center frequency. I think that Mr. Dave, the firmware developer, works on the next update, and with the next update we will be able to calibrate the frequency for every band in the list. So this radio will memorize or store an actual settings for each band separately. So this is CB band, so-called. There is no FM modulation for FM, which is pity, but the FM missing in this radio is due to the hardware limitations, as the chip doesn't include the FM decoder for shortwaves. It does just the wide FM for FM broadcast band. So it's impossible to make any firmware update for this chip. It doesn't work at all on FM, on shortwaves. And this is 10-meter band. Where is this mode? Connect external. There is some beat signal. This is connected external antenna whip. Well, not a big deal. Let me tune something else, like AM stations. Where is the band? Oh gosh. meter. Some kind of noise. I think the noise is coming from the screen. But this is the Polish radio. And the minimal frequency is 153. So you can tune this radio from 153 up to 30 megahertz. And also FM band. There is no air band or something like that. Just the FM radio and frequency from 153 to 30 megs. There is Radio Romania, I think. Also very weak now during the day. Yes, exactly. This is just a toy, guys. This is not professional radio. If you are looking for some really good radio, this is not for you. This is for playing. You can add some things to it and so on. Okay, it's just a toy for elders. HI. Okay. Do you have any questions? If not, I can switch the radio to my Xiegu X6200. I have a couple of minutes, so we can try also to transmit. But if you have any question, just go ahead. Does it work with any antenna? Actually, yes. Yes, it does. Come on. Oh boy, that's really cold. It's beautiful, sunny, but cold. Very cold. And this wind is terrible. So I try to tune 10 meters. Okay. Okay, let me find the noise peak on the radio. It's not working today. Nothing is working today. Yeah. Ah, here it is. I probably need to turn on the preamp. The preamp. Yeah, let's turn it off. So I will turn it on. Cool.
Tango, contest calling contest calling November to Tokyo Mary, Norway to Tokyo Mike, November to Tokyo Morocco contest. Contest calling contest calling.
I'm trying to tune this guy on the mini receiver. Just give me a moment.
Contest calling November to Tokyo Mary 5.
The frequency is 456. Okay, I found him, but receiver is detuned. I need to go to the shorter. This is really big difference, guys, of course, on a small vertical rip. And the radio is also wobbling. The VFO in this radio is wobbling, especially on the higher bands, but I encountered the same issue on the modified Quancheng radios. There is a crystal on the PC board right next to the SI4732 chip, and right next to the crystal are two tiny capacitors, and any proximity of any objects like your hand, anything, will detune the frequency just slightly, just very slightly, but it sounds then like a frequency wobbling. So if you're touching something and it's wobbling, it's not nice, but it's the cheap radio.
Roger, do you want to try 15 meters? 15 meters, sir.
I found resonance on the antenna right here. So I am on 28276. And this is my current setup. Hello CQ, CQ, CQ. This is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, QRP. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, QRP, calling CQ. Ah, I am in AM mode. Well. Hello CQ, CQ, CQ. This is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, QRP. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, QRP, calling CQ. CQ on 10, CQ, CQ on 10 meters. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, QRP. CQ, CQ, CQ. This is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, QRP. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, QRP. CQ, CQ, CQ. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, QRP. CQ10, CQ10, CQ10. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, QRP. CQ10. CQ, CQ, CQ10, CQ, CQ10, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, QRP. CQ10, CQ, CQ10, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, QRP. There is the good question. What is a CQ? Well, for anyone who is not an amateur radio operator, the CQ means that you are looking for somebody who is on the frequency. I think it is the short from the English sentences like seek you. So if I seek you, it is from English. I seek you. So I'm calling CQ. This is like a short of these two words. So CQ means that I am calling for somebody who is on the frequency and who hear me. Hello, CQ, CQ on 10, CQ on 10, CQ on 10 meter band, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, QRP. CQ, CQ, CQ10, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, QRP. CQ, CQ10, CQ, CQ10, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, QRP. CQ10, 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 Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, QRP. CQ, CQ10, CQ, CQ10, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, QRP. CQ10, CQ10, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango on 10 meters. CQ, CQ10, CQ, CQ10, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, QRP. Okay, I turn it on. The receiver. CQ, CQ10, CQ, CQ10, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, QRP. Again, Kilo Delta 2, Juliet Fox. John, do you copy, John? John, I copy you, but very weak on this tiny antenna. Kilo Delta 2, Juliet Foxtrot. Kilo Delta 2, Juliet Foxtrot. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Do you copy? Well, I don't feel my fingers, guys, so sorry. I'm very slow. It's very cold. It's almost freezing here, and it's windy. Really cold weather. I'm looking for 276. Tuning could be faster on this receiver, really. I need whole my life to get to this frequency, I try. Hello, CQ, CQ, CQ. This is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Calling CQ, CQ 10 meters. CQ, CQ 10 meters. CQ 10 meters. I am Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Calling CQ 10. CQ10, CQ, CQ10, CQ10, CQ, CQ10, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, QRP, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, QRP, calling CQ10. It's right next to the antenna, so signal is very strong on this receiver. Calling CQ, CQ 10 meters, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, calling and listening. I hear the Morse code on this frequency, somebody is trying.
Contest. CQ contest, Victor Echo 3 Echo Japan. Victor Echo 3 Echo Japan contest.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango.
Victor Echo 3 Echo Japan. Victor Echo 3 Echo Japan contest.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango 59 Ontario.
Thank you, 59 QSL.
What's your transmitter power?
5 watts, 5 watts, 5 watts.
Okay, QSL 5, thank you. Victor Echo 3 Echo Japan. CQ contest, Victor Echo 3 Echo Japan. Victor Victor Echo 3 Echo Japan contest.
Wow.
Contest, Victor
I am
Echo 3
currently
Echo
part.
Japan. Victor Echo 3 Echo Japan contest. CQ contest.
I am currently a part of contest. And this guy from Ontario, from Canada, heard me on this tiny antenna and 5 watts, guys. This is really incredible. Wow. All right.
Fox 5 Sugar Fox Tango 59 Ontario.
This is the external
Thank you, Victor
speaker
Echo 3
now,
Echo Japan.
right now.
CQ contest, Victor Echo 3 Echo Japan. Victor Echo 3 Echo Japan contest. Foxtrot 6. CQ contest, Victor Echo 3 Echo Japan. Victor Echo 3 Echo Japan. Echo 3 Echo Japan contest. 600. Thank you. Delta 1 Radio Ocean 592. Whiskey Charlie 1 Mexico. CQ contest, Whiskey Charlie 1 Mike, Whiskey Charlie 1 Mexico. Mexico. CQ contest, Whiskey Charlie 1 Mike, Whiskey Charlie 1 Mexico.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
CQ contest, Whiskey Charlie 1 Mike, Whiskey Charlie 1 Mexico.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
CQ contest, Whiskey Charlie 1 Mike, Whiskey Charlie 1 Mexico.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
CQ contest, Whiskey Charlie 1 Mike, Whiskey Charlie 1. Are you here? That's all there. Xiegu 1 Lima Zulu. Mexico Kilo Hotel. Delta Kilo 3 Whiskey Echo. And then Mike Echo. Thanks, Kilo 1 Lima Zulu.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
DK6 Whiskey Lima. And then Mike Echo. Whiskey 1 Lima Zulu.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
Zulu Bravo 2 Kilo X-ray. And then Mike Echo. Roger, and do you want to QSY on 15 meters on 21 megahertz? Okay, 21.258. 21.258.
Charlie Papa Mike 59 Oscar Hotel.
Ohio.
QRZ, Alpha Zulu.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
CQ contest, Kilo 8 Alpha Zulu, calling CQ contest.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
59 Oscar Hotel. QSL, Romeo Tango 1059 Oscar Hotel. QRZ, Kilo 8 Alpha Zulu.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango.
Charlie X-ray.
She has
Sugar 53 Tango Germany 59 Oscar Hotel.
she has a pileup over there.
Yours at Kilo Alpha Zulu.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango.
Ending in X-ray. Delta Kilo 7 Mike Charlie X-ray 59 Oscar Hotel. Yours at Kilo 8 Alpha Zulu.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango.
Kilo 8 Alpha Zulu calling CQ contest.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango.
Echo Italy 8 Golf Sierra 59 Oscar Hotel. Yours at Kilo 8 Alpha Zulu.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango.
United Radio 5 Fox Tango, your 59 Oscar Hotel.
Tango. Tango, Mike 4 Kilo 5 on Mike Alpha. I'll repeat that, repeat that number. 100. Tango Mike 4 Kilo 100. Thank you, K1 Tango.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango.
Julian Papa again. Julian Papa, what is the club? The India Uniform 4, Julian Papa. 59 Mike Alpha. 5 what? Roger 5, QSL, thank you. Florida Lima. Okay, Italy Zulu 2, Whiskey, Florida Lima. 59 Mike Alpha, QSL. 100 crossing, thank you, QRS.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango.
Contest, Kilo 1 Tango.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango.
Contest.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango.
Mike 4. Delta Mike 4, Kilo 1 Alpha. 59 Mike Alpha, QSL. Good luck, Kilo 3, Lima Radio.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango.
Fox 1, Oscar, Germany, 5
I need to tune the antenna because I'm too far from previous frequency.
Kilo 3, Lima Radio.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango.
Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, 59 Papa Alpha.
Thank you, you are 59 and number 5, 59, 5 watts.
It's 5 watts, roger.
Roger.
Okay, 73, good luck.
Good luck.
Kilo 3, Lima Radio.
This is really incredible, guys. I love the ham radio.
Who's the hotel radio?
Oh gosh, with the magloop. This is not a classic magloop. Just a small one.
Something 6 hotel radio again?
It works.
Sekulik?
Yes, sure. He has big antennas. So this is not my job anyway.
Foxtrot 6 hotel radio?
This is not my job. It's his job with his antennas, not mine.
Okay, Foxtrot 6 hotel radio, 59 Papa Alpha. Okay, 73 Kilo 3 Lima Radio.
Yeah, he is very big
Again,
station.
QRZ?
Kilo 3 Lima Radio. I think I know his guy.
Delta Sophie Whiskey United.
Oscar Germany, 59 New Jersey. Thank you for 10 November 2 Sugar Radio.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango.
Plus 8 Sierra Alpha Alpha 59 New Jersey. November 2 Sugar Radio.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango.
Florida 1. Florida 1. Florida 1, Italy, America. Florida 1, Italy, Kilo, America, 59 New Jersey. Number 2, Sugar Radio.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango.
Lima. Lima Bravo 7, Victor, Italy, 59 New Jersey.
I love this tripod, guys. This is really nice one from Chameleon. And it's adjustable.
Delta Lima 1, November Kilo Bravo, 59 New Jersey.
Okay, so the Lima Radio is owner of the DX Engineering. Nice.
CQ contest, November 2, Sugar Radio.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike.
CQ contest, November 2, Sugar Radio.
Oscar Mike.
The radio contest.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango.
CQ contest, November 2 Sugar Radio. November 2 Sugar Radio contest.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango.
59 New Jersey.
No chance. I think he is not so big gun station as before.
Julius 59K. Thanks. Your call. Kilowatt 7 Quebec Alpha 59K. Kilowatt 7 Quebec Alpha, thank you.
Okay, this guy is working 1 kW. The question, why Almat? Papa Yankee 2 Whiskey Golf Bravo. Yes, this is my email.
Thank you, QZ. Charlie.
Congratulations, my dear.
Okay. This is not only 5 watts. This is also a small antenna. So imagine that you are sitting like here, like this, right here in the garden with this small stuff on it, and you can talk to the other guys thousands kilometers away from you or hundreds kilometers away from you. This is so nice on the ham radio hobby, guys. So okay. Ooh, I'm completely frozen. I don't feel my hands, guys, so I am going home. And thank you very much for watching this live stream. Thank you very much for your questions. I am really very busy these days. Impossible to answer to your questions, to your comments in my videos. There are so many, guys, so many messages. I have something more than 300 videos on my YouTube channel, and imagine that if when everybody comment these all videos, it is for me really impossible to reply to all of them. I randomly find some messages in my videos and I will reply, but it's really impossible for me to get this. So I'm really sorry. I really apologize when I don't reply to my comments in the videos, guys, because this is really impossible. I have also some other things to do, and it's just impossible. Therefore, it's much easier for me to make this Q&A live stream and to answer you to your questions. But I read those questions. I briefly scroll down, and I read those comments, and I'm very, very happy, very appreciate that you are comment my videos, and many of them are very positive and very supporting your comments. So thank you very, very much for your support of this channel, and I really hope that you find these videos helpful for you, and maybe it sometimes save your money, because maybe you will realize that the thing what is reviewed on my channel is not for you, and so on. So this is the main purpose what I'm doing. Okay, guys, so thank you very much for watching this live stream. I'm going home because it's very cold. 73. Enjoy this beautiful hobby, and I'm waiting for a better weather conditions, because this is really cold. This is really cold. So 73, have a good day, and we'll see you on the radio, guys. Hope to hear you on the radio. 73. Enjoy the Sunday.